Question number 9 says that state which of the following situation are possible and give example for each of this. So we have to identify this example and we have to check whether this situation are possible or not, and if yes, then we have to give one example for that. So A is an object with a constant acceleration. The acceleration is constant but with zero velocity. So continuously that object is traveling in the acceleration but it has a zero velocity. So when this will happen? When we are throwing a stone upward in upward direction. Stone or ball, anything, when we are throwing it upward. We have seen this in the numerical, that when we are throwing it upward, what will happen? It starts from here, we are throwing with certain velocity, so it has some initial velocity, but its final velocity will be zero, because at one point it will stop and it will come back. So when it comes back, it's fine for a fraction of second, its final velocity will be zero, but it is in continuous acceleration. It is in continuous acceleration. So in this case, it has an acceleration, but its final velocity will be 0. Then second, an object moving with an acceleration. It has acceleration but with uniform speed. So when any object has acceleration but it has also a uniform speed. Now what is the acceleration? Acceleration is changing of velocity and it is along with the direction. So it has a uniform speed but it has acceleration also. So when any athlete is moving on a circular track, so at each and every point his direction will change. So he has acceleration but his speed is uniform. He is moving with a uniform speed. Or we are tying a stone or a ball at the end of a rope and then we are giving a circular motion to that. So in that case also, in each and every point, at each and every point its direction will change. It has acceleration and it is moving with a uniform speed. So either of this example will suitable for this situation, that it has acceleration also and it is moving with uniform speed. Question number C, an object moving in a certain direction with an acceleration. So it has acceleration and that acceleration is in the perpendicular direction. So it is moving with certain acceleration but it is in the perpendicular direction. So that happens in circular motion. In uniform circular motion, when body travels in certain direction, we know that in uniform circular motion at each and every point the direction will change. The direction of athlete, direction of the object will change when they are moving on circular path. So the direction of the body will be always in perpendicular to its movement. So here in circular, uniform circular motion, this can happen, that acceleration in the perpendicular direction. Their movement is circular, so their acceleration will be perpendicular to that movement. So this is the case when in uniform circular motion these things will happen. That object is moving in a certain direction, that it is moving in this direction and acceleration will be perpendicular at each and every point. If here also the direction is there, then its acceleration will be perpendicular. Acceleration will be perpendicular to that movement.